My name is Relicious Eboh. I'm a ReBUILD Detroit scholar at University of Detroit Mercy. I am a senior in the biology department. So this program was brought to my attention actually April of 2015. I got an email my senior year of high school saying that a program was starting at Detroit Mercy that'll allow underrepresented minorities to be involved in research. I knew nothing about research. I knew that during that time I wanted to go into the medical field, and I know research had something to do with that. And me being a biology major, I thought, okay, maybe this is something I should be a part of. Being a senior in the ReBUILD Detroit program, I've been able to present my research over 25 times at different locations and cities all across the United States. And I've presented my research at conferences at Wayne State University, Emory University, and Harvard University. And being able to present your research in a bigger scale gives you more confidence that the research that you're actually doing on a smaller scale matters to other people. And it's always so heartwarming to see other people who you've never met say that, wow, the study that you did actually is very important, and they feel like more people should actually be aware of the work that you're doing. And the networking aspect of going to conferences has been really helpful, and being able to connect with different researchers and also faculty members at different institutions also has been amazing.
Relicious is one who has never taken a spring break. I think, and maybe not even a Christmas break until this year when her parents took her and her family back to their home country in Africa. And why? Because she found that time to be valuable time to be continuing her research, to now work for a doctor or shadow behind a researcher, or take people up on who said, if you ever need anything, just give me a call. Well, that's when she would give them a call and actually have her meetings. And I think what sets her apart, why would she do this versus some other students? I am very clear that it starts at home for her. Education is very important to her family. And so both her mom and dad have made it very clear to all of their children that their job, the children's job, is to do their education.